Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Abdul. Oh, it's good afternoon now. Good afternoon, Abdul.
But first I said it is good morning. Now it's good afternoon.
Yeah, now it's good afternoon. Okay. Do you know that? Good afternoon, Hamza Iqbal.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, do you teach a girl called Mariam?
Mariam, full name? Mariam Gola?
Mariam Sheikh.
Yes.
She's my cousin.
Ah, she's your cousin.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're in the same school, so we think that we're in the same. We are the same teacher, and we really are.
Yes, you really are. I teach maths and science to Mariam Sheikh.
Well, you also do that to us.
Yes. Today we are going to revise what we have studied in our science class. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
A quick revision regarding that.
Ma'am, I don't have school. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody. Quickly take out your science notebook. Quickly, we will revise what we have studied in our science class so that you can be ready for your exams coming week. Okay, so everybody take out your science notebook quickly. If you're having, that's absolutely great. Please quickly be ready with your science notebook so that you can quickly revise what all we have studied in our science classes that you are going to write on your exams day. Okay, we'll take 2 minutes time more so that our other friends join and then we will quickly begin today's session. Till that time, others, please write today's date, the topic that we are going to study, okay?
Ma'am, last time I was reading the chapter senses only.
Good.
So that means I know all of the senses.
Yes. Can you tell me, Fatima, what are the 4 senses in our body?
Hi. Can you write? Hi, Mama.
You
How
need to
they
first.
are used? Oh, you mean what they are? There
Yeah.
are eyes,
Hmm.
ears.
Senses, beta. Senses means what you can feel, from where you can feel. Like from nose, you can smell. This is one of your sense.
Smell, hear,
Smell.
see, hear,
Hmm.
and taste.
Taste and touch.
Yeah, that's also tongue.
Yeah, from tongue, what do? You can taste from your tongue. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so everybody, let's write on a notebook. Do not scribble here on the screen. Please write on your notebook. The more quickly we will start, the more quickly we can end the session. And you can enjoy after that.
Okay.
Okay. So Fatima said senses. Touch is one of a sense. Yusuf, unmute and tell me one sense in a body. Nabil, unmute and tell me one sense in a body.
मैम can I say? मैम can I say? मैम कैसे me? Ma'am,
Good,
smell.
Nabil. Very good, Taha. Yes, Nabil.
मैम taste.
Good one. Bushra.
मैम me से मैम eyes. मैम
One by one, one by one.
Yes मैम. मैम
Coming to all of you one by one. Hold on, please. Yes, now let me ask to Nabil first. Nabil, tell me the senses in our body. All four senses.
मैम legs. मैम leg and hand. That is
Senses.
the touch.
Yeah, senses means from where you can feel. Okay, the feel that you get. Like touch. When you touch
Yes.
anything, you get a feel.
Yes.
Hand, nose, these are organs of your body. Okay, tell me one another sense. Come on, Nabil, quickly. Coming, Sanaya Abdul.
Ma'am eyes.
I'm giving you a hint.
Nose.
From nose, what do you do?
Nose and smell.
Yes, sense is the smelling is sense in your body. Nose is parts of your body, right? Sanaya, unmute and tell me one sense is in your body.
Tongue. Tongue.
Tongue is
Taste.
part of your body or it is sense in your body? Tell me.
Taste.
Yes. Taste. Good. Abdul Azim, unmute and tell me another sense is in a body. Write it down,
Okay,
Sanaya,
ma'am.
on your notebook. Nabil, Yusuf, write down the senses in your notebook. And then
What
when
I
I
need to
will write,
write?
just tally. Write the senses.
Yes.
Now, what you told me, Sanaya? Taste is one of the sense in your body, right? So write it down. Touch is one sense. Taste is one sense. Yes, Abdul, tell me.
Ma'am, here.
Ear, very good. Hearing is one sense in your body. Good. Write it down, everybody, over your notebook. Hamza Iqbal, unmute and tell me another sense in your body.
Ma'am, another sense in our body. I think here.
Here.
Ma'am, smell.
Very good. Smell. Always remember from the parts of your body. Start from here, the tip of your nose. Okay, and you can just remember very easily. Put the finger on your nose and then you remember. Smell, then go here. Here, then go down. Taste, and then you tap here.
Smell.
Touch. This is senses in a body. Everybody, leave the pen and do with me. Come on, quickly do along with me so that you can memorize. Put a finger on your nose. Finger upon your nose. Yes. This is one part of your body that creates sense. So from here, what do you do? Smell. This is one sense of your body. Go down. Taste. Taste. Go down. Taste.
Teeth.
Then pat here. Touch. Ouch. You felt something. Ouch. Touch.
Ouch.
Then go here. Hearing. This is another senses in your body. Now you will remember. Come on, everybody, do along with me. Come on, once again. Come on. Smell. Taste. Another one. Touch. Hear. Got it?
Yeah.
Now write it down over your notebook. Now you will not forget. Everybody, write the senses over your notebook.
Ma'am, I'm writing done.
Done. Very good. So you know your eyes and your eyes and your nose create a strong senses in your body. Do not scribble, please. Just a moment. Yeah. Okay. So suppose I gave you one example. When you're crossing the road, whenever you are crossing the road, what do? First you see left and right and then you cross. What do? Your eyes give you the sense, oh yes, now I can cross the road, now it is safe for me. Am I right? Who is this? Just a moment. Please write here. Who is this? Arfa Rizan Patel. Unmute, Rizan. Unmute, Rizan. Please write your name. Do not write any other name, beta. Otherwise, I will mistaken to get your name only. Yes, Taha, unmute and tell me, beta, what do you want to say? Okay. Everybody, please write the senses on your notebook. Okay. Do you know how do we get electric shocks?
Ma'am, see, I am done.
Yes, very good. Suppose everybody, when you have to use your fingertip to switch off, switch on, you can see here above there is a switchboard over here. When I have to switch it on or switch it off like this, then I will use my fingertip. Right?
Ma'am, there is the touch.
Yes, so it is touch. Okay. Yeah. You also know how do we get electric shocks? How do we get electric shocks? When you touch any electric appliance with the wet hair, with the wet hand, then you are in a danger of getting electric shocks. So never ever touch.
That is the feel. Feel.
Very good. Excellent, my boys. Yes, Fatima Ansari, unmute and tell me. You all are now getting the point. Yes, Fatima.
Ma'am, when I went to Kashmir, there was when we were at a hotel, and you have to know what that hotel did. And we know all of us went to the hotel. There were a lot of houses, but down one there were two. There you teach a Mariam girl, her family was living there, and my another cousin lived outside of that. Oh, and then do you know over there, if we touch the handle at my another cousin's there, if we touch the handle, we'll get shocked. And at Mariam's house, if we touch the down part, then we'll get shocked.
Oh God.
The whole house gives us shock, even though we didn't even wipe our hands.
Right. So, did you get it?
It was like a electrically house. Getting shocked all the time at the
Yes, that is the reason, no, Fatima, I told that our sense of touch, it can protect us from danger, and if you're not able to sense the touch, then you can be in a danger of getting electric shocks.
I made me and the others made a table.
Hmm.
When we were at the drawing class, its second is the two table. Look,
Okay.
two ones are two like this.
Okay. Okay,
Doing
Fatima. Very good. Okay, Bushra wants to share something. Yes, Bushra, tell me. Bushra, unmute. Tell me, beta, what do you want to say? Yusuf, unmute and tell me what do you want to say, Yusuf?
Ma'am,
Yusuf,
I want
yeah.
to say my writing part is done.
Excellent. Sanaya, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I am also done. I want to say
Very
my
good. Bushra, unmute and tell me.
part is done.
Very good, Sanaya, beta.
Ma'am, I am also done.
Hamza Qureshi, unmute. Good one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hamza, do you want to say anything? Very good, Nabil.
Nice done.
Good one, Nabil. Okay, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, do you all know that our senses protect us from many dangers? Senses protect us from danger. Suppose there is any danger. Okay. Suppose there is any water just outside your home. Okay. You go out, you open the door and you just say, oh my God, there is such a huge amount of water here and there. So your senses will tell you, do not move out. Right? Even your fingertips also give you, suppose if you are with a wet hand and you switch off or switch on, or you play with or you touch any electronic things, then you are in danger of getting electric shocks. Am I clear to each one of you? Okay, you all know that suppose when you eat apple or anything and you get any rotten type of taste, something like, oh my God, it's so ugly taste. Then how do you taste it? How can you taste and tell it? Hamza Iqbal, unmute and tell me, beta. Suppose you are eating, suppose Sanaya, Fatima, Abdul, Yusuf, Bushra, listen to me, everybody. Suppose mama gives you Maggie. Okay. Mama cooks a very tasty, yummy Maggie. Sorry. How will you know that that Maggie is very yummy until you eat it? You're not going to know whether that Maggie is good or Maggie's taste is not so good. Until you taste it, you cannot know. And from where do you get that taste? From where will you taste it? You taste it from your tongue. Yes. We taste it from our tongue. And you know what it is called? Just a moment, I'll show you one huge tongue. No. Just a moment. Yes, can you see here on your screen? Can you see here on your screen? Yes, there is such a huge tongue over here, and the portion over here, look here on the screen, everybody, this portion, it is called taste buds. It is called taste buds. Yes, we need to eat lot of different kinds of foods to stay healthy. I'm sorry. And you need to drink a lot of water. You need to taste different types of things. You eat food, you eat vegetables, you eat spices, you eat many type of things. But how do you taste whether it is sweet or it is bitter, it is salty, it is sour? You tasted from your taste bud. From where do you taste it? Tell me, everybody. I am unmuting everybody. Now you can tell me from where do you taste it? Unmute everybody. Everybody unmute and tell me. You taste it from your
has buds inside, so we can taste everything.
Yes, very good, Zahia beta. Very
We
good,
already
Zahia.
know this.
Very good. It's very good that you're knowing it, beta. So you can know it with your taste bud. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, wait.
They didn't have taste bud.
Yes, Fatima, come again, beta.
What if we didn't have taste bud? Will we still get the taste?
Beta, for getting taste of anything, you need to have your tongue helps you to get the taste of anything. That gives you taste bud. Understood, beta?
Ma'am, can you?
So what if we don't have taste bud?
Ma'am, can you go to back to the white screen? I'm not done writing.
You haven't done writing? Okay, Fatima Sanaya. Just a moment, beta. Okay. So, for getting taste of anything, you need to have the taste bud. Just a moment. Yeah. Now I hope, Sanaya, you can see everybody. Those who have not completed writing, please complete the writing part, everybody. Yes, beta. Tell me, Taha.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Very good. Those who have done very good. Suppose you're getting chips. I give you Lays or Kurkure. Okay, or I give you popcorn. Something like this. Then you taste it and tell, oh, wow, ma'am, it's so yummy. It's so salty. How do you taste it? Who can tell me? Wait, let me come to Nabila. You can tell me. Coming, Rizan.
Tongue. Ma'am,
Yes.
tongue.
Tongue. Taste. Tongue. Which part of the tongue? The front part of the tongue. That is called taste bud. Remember, Nabil? I just told you. Yes. That is called taste bud. What it is called?
Taste bud.
Taste bud. Bud. B-U-D. Bud. Rizan and mute and tell me, if I give you pizza, it is very yummy, no? Pizza is very yummy,
Yes,
Rizan, or it is not good?
Pizza is very yummy.
Yummy. So how do you get to know that it is very yummy? Which part of the tongue? Yes, which part of the tongue?
Taste buds.
Excellent, Sanaya. It's taste bud, Rizan.
Ma'am, see my book.
Yes.
See my book.
Okay. Good, Rizan.
Ma'am, I am done. Right.
Okay. And do you also know? Very good, those who have written. Very good. Very good. And do you know one very interesting thing I will share with you? This is only the last part of the day. Okay, nothing much. One last part of the day. Do you know there is some liquid thing over our mouths every time? Everybody close your mouth and just observe. There is some liquid thing in your mouth right now. Everybody close your mouth and observe. There is some liquid thing. Yes, Hamza?
Yeah, there is some liquid thing.
Yeah, this liquid thing in our mouth is called saliva.
What is saliva?
Saliva is the liquid thing when you spit out. Remember, whenever you spit out, there is some liquid thing that comes out. Right, Fatima? That liquid thing is called saliva. When you take any hard thing, when you eat any hard thing, Remember what you do with this saliva helps to break that food. When you eat any kurkure, when you eat chicken, when you eat something very hard, or any food that you take, this saliva, this liquid type of thing that is in the mouth, no, it helps the food to break so that we can eat it. It also helps us to taste things. So got it? That's all for the day. Do not worry. Whatever we have.
Okay, bye.
No, wait, beta. Whatever we have studied till now will be coming in your exams. Yes, Zahra. Coming, Sanaya. Yes, Sanaya. That is your taste bud.
Ma'am, like this. I'm going to scratch it in. I'm going to chew it.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
No, listen to me, beta. I will be sharing today the pattern of your exams, okay? You will be getting some close-ended questions and you will also get a drawing to do. You will have to draw something, okay? So please log in on time to complete your papers before your class ends, okay? I will share the question paper and every detail over there, okay?
Okay.
So do not worry, I will share. Yes, listen. Do not be in a hurry, beta. Whatever we have studied till date, same thing will be coming in your exams, okay? Nothing beyond that. Whatever we have studied till date, okay? Okay. See you everybody in the next class. Be prepared for the exams. All the best.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.